So hello everyone. Today we are going to see something called fonts. As do you know that we have a lot of fonts available on internet so that you can download it onto your own machine and run on any of your applications like Notepad. So generally we'll find a lot of fonts on our own machine itself, but we don't have to restrict with them. So we can go to internet and find a lot of fonts and install them on our own machine. Let's explore Google Fonts today. That is fonts.google.com. So if you access this website, you will see 5 font families on the right side bar right here. So you can select any of them and you can see fonts belonging to that font family. For example, I'm turning off everything except handwriting, so it shows all fonts in that font family called handwriting. So let me select one of um, handwriting font family's font. That is, let me take Waiting for the Sunrise. So if you see here, Waiting for the Sunrise is a font within this handwriting font family. So now what we are going to do is we are going to download this. Let's see how we can do that. So you can see a plus icon right here. Just click on the plus icon and that will give you a dialog box. You see that? So if you click on that, it will give you all the instructions like how you can embed this into HTML and CSS, and also you will have a download option at the corner right there. So just go ahead and click on the download icon, which will download you the font. I'm going to download that on the desktop. So now we have that font Waiting for the Sunrise on the desktop. What I'm going to do is now I'm going to extract. So I'm going to extract it. Right click, open, extract. I want to extract to a new folder called Sunrise Google Fonts. This will create a new folder here. So click on OK. You can see all the extracted files here. There is only one font file. This is a font file and this is normal text document. All you have to do is right click on that font file and click on install. And that will install the font on your machine. So it is installed. So to check it, to test it, you can go to Notepad. Let me test that here. Go to format, click on font and say, what is the sunrise, right? Sunrise. You got the Waiting for Sunrise here. So I'm gonna take 36 so that it's visible to it's much more larger font size. Yeah, let me take that and say now you are typing with Waiting for Sunrise font. That's it. So similarly you can install any font from this family, from any family. In fact, there are a lot of fonts available, so you can download anything and install it, and you can just use it right away on any of your application. Thank you.